Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is all about how you can make a free website for your YouTube channel or for your own respective usage, so let's go. But first of all, subscribe for more amazing tutorials and videos.
Let go of everything.
Open your browser and type websitecreator.com and follow the steps shown in the video. You have to just sign up. Don't worry, it is free. Just give a unique name to your website and it will redirect you to a template choosing platform. Here you can edit all the texts and images that are present there. And even do some minor or major changes as per your wish. You can also link your other social media platforms. Here the only limit is your creativity. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video and be tuned for more. Be safe. Thank you.